That's another powerful message and very true to me.
Yes, I truly believe we always attract the perfect mirrors as partners in our life, or most of all, it's the partners, they mirror us back. But we can also see it in friends, or it can happen in professional life, colleagues. But in partners, it's so obvious that they will always reflect what we are to ourselves. I feel like this coming back to our inner state of knowing we are love, but how does it look? What is that? What does it mean? And how can I live in that state without making constantly demand on somebody else to love me?
Yeah, wow, I love those questions too. Could you expand a bit on that, Sabina? You caught my curiosity. How do we embody this understanding that we are love?
I ask myself, truly, that's my personal way of living. What would love do now whenever I affront a conflict? And if anybody comes to me and I feel like, oh my God, this is a confrontation, maybe even anger or it's an attack, what would love do now? And I can't give the answer for anybody. Each human being is different and unique, but to find the answer for yourself before the reactive behavior comes out, what would love do now is for me the biggest gift.
Just its presence has a lot of power, so it doesn't have to be expressed with words or actions. It's so powerful that it speaks on its own, stands in its own.
You're touching something very important here, the word presence, because most human beings can't even be present with each other anymore, less with themselves, because we have all these beautiful gadgets and stuff. And to find back to how can I be fully present with myself is a big question within that. What is love? Can I be fully mindful and can I be fully present? And I actually give a workshop which is called Making Time and Space for Love, to help people to find back to that presence, to understand how we take it away constantly in the way we listen, in the way we speak, in the way we try to ask for something. It's the constant unattention to where presence is. And in relation to the question I had earlier, what is love? What would love do now? Can I stop for a moment being present with just my breath and feel myself? What has that done to me? So I can then ask the question, what would love do now? How would I react now? Can I just speak from just what I feel right now, from my true, authentic feeling without fear? Do I have the courage to speak out, I'm hurt?